Presenting the fantastic product Solio Solar Hybrid Charger. How did this fantastic product come about? Better Energy System (BES) was founded by a man called Chris Honor in 2001. His aim was to fill the gap in the market which uses and develops renewable energy technologies. It took him 3 years to develop, and it was first launched in France in 2007 and was an automatic success. It is important to know a little bit about the product itself. The Solio Solar Hybrid Charger is a multiple usage device which can charge over 3200 products such as mobile phone, camera, laptop, iPod, including the new Apple iPhone 4, anywhere, anytime. It has 3 solar panel cells of fan-like shape and uses the sun's energy. It can be used at home or outdoor. It can charge between 20 to 50 minutes depending on the duration of charging. The two main design qualities of the charger are its cost and appearance. The charger itself is very cost effective as it is made from 80% recyclable materials, helping to sustain the environment as well as costing less to the manufacturer. Therefore, the charger is value for money. The fact it's a multi-usage device means you don't have to buy several chargers. It is cheap to run and maintain. The internal battery is easily replaceable, which lasts up to 1 year. Its appearance is stylish, slender, compact and portable, and which is available in various colors as well to suit individuals' desire. It makes sense to carry one charger than several chargers, and it is lightweight as well. So how does it impact on the environment? The charger is carbon neutral and therefore emits less CO2. The rechargeable batteries are not adding to the growing landfill site problems as you are purchasing and disposing fewer batteries only. It is also not adding to the use of non-sustainable polluting materials. The materials used have been tested for toxicity and it is suitable for the current recycling technology as well. Now, can this idea of solar panel can be used in other technologies? It's a fact that transport is one of the major culprits of CO2 emission. I believe that the next thing to help reduce CO2 emission would be to use solar panel in vehicles. 2 interesting solar vehicles have been produced in the UK and 15 in India. It was done by placing a solar panel on the roof of the car, placing a 4x85 watt BP solar panels charging 4x16 volt Thunderski lithium ion batteries, thus the solar panels, helping reduce carbon emission as well as no fuel cost, low insurance and road tax. An Indian company called Selco also introduced some solar panel stove, solar thermal and lighting to reduce indoor air pollution. With a similar motivation, Italian car company Fiat have made some parts of the car controlled by solar panels. So, what's the problem? As mentioned earlier, transport is adding to global CO2 emission. For example, private cars are emitting most of the CO2. The CO2 emission from the ships, aeroplanes are very high. It's a fact that CO2 emission from ships could rise by 75% in the next 20 years. So what can be the possible answer or the solution? The solar car at present is lightweight and smaller in size. The solution is to implement it to all private cars, trucks, trains, ships and aeroplanes by using lightweight, high powerful solar recharger, helping to reduce CO2 emission for the future. Now, has the Solio helped the brand image and the sales of BES? I would say yes, definitely. Design qualities, the environmental impact and its convenience has helped the sales. Having celebrities such as Barack Obama, Gwyneth Paltrow and Polar Challenger Dr. Ian Davis made consumers want to purchase it even more. BES sold more solar products than any other company. It's been awarded MAC Award. Other companies have joined with BES and the brand helps sponsoring other organizations as well. All this adding to the positive sales and making the brand image even bigger. Finally, it is important what the consumers say about it. Consumers are positive about the design and its appearance. It is stylish, compact and also cheaper to run and maintain. It is seen as convenient and reliable, and the charger itself I believe is value for money. For one-time investment, it is brilliant for lifelong use. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. Thank you.